Hey everyone, this is OJ here coming to you with another edition of Crypto Corner, my weekly crypto podcast where I discuss everything related to blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. And today I'm going to show you how to claim your free Uni token if you are a user of Uniswap, the exchange, and if you have completed even just one trade before the 1st of September 2020 this year, then you will be pleased to know that you are qualified to receive 400 Uni tokens, which is the native token of the Uniswap exchange. It was launched today and it's already up by more than 1,000%, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. Well, today was the launch of Uni, the token of Uniswap exchange, which is one of the top exchanges this year. You're probably familiar with it if you have traded on Uniswap prior to the 1st of September this year. Then you are qualified to receive 400 free Uniswap tokens, Uni. And the token, in fact, is already trading on other platforms, including Binance. And at some point, it reached, at its peak, it reached $4 and something. I think it was reported to be $4.50 at some point, but here on CoinGecko, I'm seeing that at the top it was $4.08. Well, it has been correcting since that point, and it's now sitting at $2.56. So the 400 tokens that you're getting for free are going to be around $1,000. Not bad for an airdrop. It is probably one of the top airdrops and the biggest amounts that I'm seeing as an airdrop, and this is to all of the customers of the Uniswap exchange. This is the original post where they announced this airdrop, where they explain what is the token and how it's going to be distributed. I'm quickly going to go through this. The allocation. So the total supply is 1 billion Uni tokens. They have already been minted, and they will become accessible over the course of 4 years. The initial 4-year allocation is as follows. 60% goes to the Uniswap community members. These are people who are trading, who are active members of the exchange. Even if you've only had one trade prior to the 1st of September this year, you are qualified. And I know that because I actually only used it once, and I had only one trade on that exchange. It was just a few weeks ago, and I already got my 400 tokens. Now 25% and 25.5% goes to team members and future employees with a 4-year vesting. So this is 215 million tokens. 17.80% goes to investors with a 4-year vesting. This is 178 million tokens. And 0.069% goes to advisors with 4-year vesting, which is 6,899,000 tokens. Now this is the allocation visualized here. All of that you can find on the original blog that was announcing this the launch of Uniswap. I will have the link in the description box below the video, so you can grab it from there and you can read all about it. You can get more details. Now let's move on to the next part, where I'm going to show you how to claim these 400 Uni tokens for free. So as you go to the Uniswap website, uniswap.org, you will probably see this pop up here. If you have traded before the 1st of September on Uniswap, then you will be allocated at least 400 Uni tokens. If you don't get the pop-up, you can also go to these 3 dots here in the top corner, and the last option will be claim your free Uni. Now let's click on this button and confirm from here. Now it's going to connect to my MetaMask. You will have to pay the gas fee, which at the time here at the moment is at 17.03. That's in dollars. Make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your wallet to pay this fee. Basically, the fee right now is really high. because everyone is trying to claim their uni, and they're also swapping uni, selling uni and everything. So right now uni is breaking the Ethereum network, but it is what it is. 400 uni is around $1,000 right now, so it's not a bad idea to claim that. And even if you have to pay the $17 fee for it, it's not a big deal, I feel. Also bear in mind that the transaction will take some time because the network is so congested. So in the meantime, you can view the transaction on Etherscan. You can just click on that and it's gonna open etherscan.io. And here I can see the details of this transaction. It is pending, and I see that the estimated confirmation actually for this transaction is at least 50 minutes, 49 minutes and 16 seconds, it says here. It is built at 550 GUI, which is quite high. I used to pay around 100 GUI recently on transactions. Now it's 550. So I'm paying $17 for this transaction. Okay, well, this is it. As I said, you'll probably have to wait a little bit until the transaction gets approved, because Uniswap right now is really breaking the Ethernet, the Ethereum network, and it's been really congested today. I had to wait for more than half an hour for my transaction to get approved, and then as soon as it was approved and it was confirmed and everything, I got the message that I've already claimed the tokens. The tokens got into my account, and as you can see here from my screen, hold on, let me show my screen. You can see currently I actually have 350 because I've already swapped 50 for Ethereum. Now, bear in mind that the token is already being traded on Binance, and my personal recommendation will be to probably trade it there, mainly because you're going to pay much less fees. Now, I'm going to show you, in fact, if you try to use it here and swap it for Ethereum, let's say, you will actually have a fee that is quite high. And let's see. Oh, okay, well, one thing is that sometimes it doesn't even get through the transaction. But anyway, so I just tried it a few minutes ago to swap another 50 tokens for Ethereum. The fee that I had to pay was around $30 or something like that. Well, this is quite a high fee for the swap of 50 tokens, which are around 300, maybe less than 300, 250 or something like that, or just around $300 worth. And on Binance, of course, the fee will be much lower. This is why it's worth moving all of these tokens into Binance and using it there if you are going to be selling them right now. Of course, the token is already correcting, so it is not at its peak, but I still feel that it will correct further. So for those who are eager to, take the profit right away, maybe just move it to Binance and use Binance, because you will pay much less in fees. Otherwise, if you're going to be holding it for later, you might just leave it in your MetaMask wallet or whichever you've connected with Uniswap exchange, and just wait until the fees on the Ethereum network are going lower, and maybe you can move it then. So this is everything for this video, guys. I hope it's gonna help you, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me the thumbs up, leave a comment, and also share it with someone else who might also benefit from watching it. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.